Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is a Glam Spring Tablescape. If that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this Glam Tablescape video started. Here are my items for the spring inspired tablescape. I will be dropping the link for the items so you can know where they come from, and also to you guys, those square mirrors that I'm using for coasters, they are actually sponsored by DiffLart.com. I will be dropping DiffLart link down in the description box, but these are my items, you guys, and we're going to get the tablescape started. Now the charges are from Tablecloth Factory along with the napkins. The napkin rings are sponsored by Totally Dazzled, and my plate and salad plate are actually from Dollar General that I purchased I think 2 years ago. So you guys, we're going to get ready and set up the table. I will be using the same centerpiece for my kitchen tour, you guys, that you did see. Should have been yesterday. If you did not watch that kitchen tour video, I will put the link in my description box, so please make sure you do go back and watch it after this. Now you guys, if you're still watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell twice, and your notification will turn blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading. We do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and we also upload on other days as well. But you guys, for the remainder of this month and the next upcoming month, you will be getting daily content, so make sure you stay tuned so we can keep you inspired. And here is that spring tablescape. You guys, this tablescape features Dollar Tree items, Dollar General items, Tablecloth Factory items, DiffLart.com items, and Ross items as well. The crystal candle holders, you guys, are been in my family for a while, so we do have that. And the vase and the centerpiece is actually from Burlington. You guys, all links are down in the description. I do hope this just gives you a little inspiration. I'm going to also let you see the hutch and just show you a different view of this tablescape from the different angles here in my kitchen. You guys, I did have fun styling this table, but I also had help. TT gave her approval on the tablescape. And two, family, this is an overhead view of this spring tablescape. Now you guys, I do hope this tablescape styling gives you a lot of inspiration. And two, you guys, these tablescapes are created to let you see you can elevate any table without spinning the bank. For these tablescapes, I will be shopping my home, and we will be adding in some new pieces, but we will be shopping our home and creating tablescapes and stylings from what we already have in our decor arsenal. Make sure you do keep that in mind. And to my wonderful family, thank you for watching and tuning in. And if this is your first time here watching, or you're watching and you still haven't become a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, then you are notified every single time I am uploading. Also, family, don't forget, please binge watch a couple videos. It does help the algorithm push the videos more, and I truly appreciate everyone's faithful love and support. And once again, I could not do this, family, without you and without all of your continued love and support. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive. and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. And family, please don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, home of all things DIY, and the Glam Queen of Decor, all things lifestyle and home decor related. You guys, will see you in another video. Check that description box for affiliate links and discount codes. You guys have a wonderful day and stay tuned for tomorrow's DIY video.